on a teeny little farm.
Okay, it's you back. That's all you need, Aiden. You don't need another scoop.
In an itty-bitty coop. A very small hen laid a big, humongous...
This is a big one.
He's a...
Chicken.
A chicken!
A giant chicken.
The big, humongous chick was the...
We're hoping that they're coming here and really discovering a new world, and a world that they can learn to take care of.
It's a squirmy little guy.
So we're trying to teach stewardship towards each other, towards animals, towards the environment, and helping them to be more aware of how all these things fit together to make our lives in our community more healthy and more prosperous.
It really teaches you to respect the animals, because that way they're not just there for your entertainment. They're war animals too, and they're in captivity, so they can't get food and water for themselves. So we help feed them, and yeah, we can look at them, we can enjoy having them there, but they're not pets, they're animals. And so it's a good learning experience for kids.
I'll grab this bucket. All right, we have 2 more rabbit hutches to visit. The water is done. Now we need water.